From the humble beginnings of analog oscilloscopes, engineers have pushed the limits of technology, evolving the world of measurement and capturing signals with greater precision and accuracy. Digital oscilloscopes brought us new capabilities, with advanced triggering and analysis tools to unlock deeper insights. Now, welcome the next step in evolution, the Rohde & Schwarz MXO5 oscilloscope. Shattering industry boundaries, the Rohde & Schwarz MXO5 boasts 8 channels with an unmatched 4.5 million acquisitions and 18 million waveforms per second. Discover its groundbreaking 45,000 FFTs per second and experience a memory depth that stands unrivaled in its class. All this, combined with the industry-leading digital trigger, ensures unparalleled precision. At Rohde & Schwarz, our relentless pursuit of innovation culminates in the Rohde & Schwarz MXO5, an instrument designed to give both a panoramic view and the finest details of signal analysis. Next generation oscilloscope, evolved for more challenges.